In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon refund money effectively, covering all the steps you need to check your refund status, and what to do if the refund was issued as an Amazon gift card. So let's get started. First, you'll want to visit Amazon.com. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the web page, so go ahead and click on that. Signing in is crucial because it will give you access to your account details and order history, where you can track your refunds. After you click sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Amazon account. Don't forget to click continue once you have entered your email. The next step involves entering your password to log in. Make sure you type it securely to protect your account information and then click sign in. As you successfully sign in, your screen will refresh and you'll now have needed access to your personalized account information. Once you're signed in, you'll want to head over to Account and Lists, which is located beside the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you have access to almost everything you need, including tracking your orders and refunds. Hover your cursor over it and from the drop-down menu, select Orders. If it's easier for you, you can also click directly on Return and Orders, which might be a quicker route. After clicking on Orders, you should see a list of your past purchases. Look for the order you are interested in and check if there's an option labeled View Return Refund Status or View Order Details next to it. This is where you can see whether your refund has been processed, is still pending, or if there's a tracker available for your refund. Now, if your refund was issued particularly as an Amazon gift card, it's important to know how to view and utilize it. Navigate back to the main page of your account. Once there, select Gift Cards. This section will show you your Amazon gift card balance. This is where any refund amount issued as a gift card will be reflected. It's a straightforward process for keeping track of how much refund value you have on your account as a gift card, and that's it. Following these instructions will help you effortlessly navigate Amazon's system to verify and use your refund money. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below and we'll do our best to assist you. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.